Xendee is a microgrid design and decision support platform built to streamline the design process, create optimal investment strategies, and operate the lowest cost, most resilient, and highest return on investment electrical networks. Xendee's award-winning software has been tested by the U.S. Department of Defense, U.S. Department of Energy, and the Federal Aviation Administration, and is available through the GSA catalog. The platform is also trusted and utilized by major international energy firms, including Worley, Engie, and Shell, and universities around the country, including UC San Diego, Arizona State University, and the University of Hawaii. Xendee has also recently won the prestigious Edison Award Gold Medal for Critical Human Infrastructure in 2021. Let's take a look at how an actual military-based microgrid can be designed with Xendee's decision support software. This software was designed to help engineers easily visualize projects and make the right decisions to balance the project budget with resiliency and carbon reduction requirements. Additionally, with built-in tools for one-line diagramming and power flow simulation, your engineers can ensure the microgrid can stand up to the rigors of usage. All of this is performed with Xendee's financial and technical optimization engine. This optimization algorithm works by first gathering all related inputs through catalogs and an easy-to-use interface. This data includes load data for the building, electricity and gas tariff data, distributed technology data, site weather data, and electrical power system data. Once this information is defined, engineers can then instruct the algorithm to meet organizational goals. These can include minimizing the total cost, minimizing CO2 emissions, increasing reliability, and resiliency to keep the power on in case of an outage. Using this data, Xendee's algorithm will then produce an optimized report that details optimal distributed energy capacities, an optimal dispatch and operation schedule, and optimal placement for the distributed energy resources. In Xendee's decision support software, this optimization process starts with the project wizard, which helps users quickly set up a site location from scratch. Engineers can also add team members in the cloud, set up global project options like interest rates and payback periods, and select technologies of interest. With the project launched, engineers can now use Xendee's geographic information system to visually lay out the microgrid, place distributed energy resources, and establish building loads. First, the load module allows users to enter the load profile in multiple ways, including uploading a custom load if they have it available, or using one of our catalogs to expedite the design process. Xendee also optimizes for multiple load types, including cooling, refrigeration, natural gas, and water heating. Next, we will import the electric utility tariff data, and because Xendee already knows the location of the site, users can simply pick a rate directly from the catalog. This example includes time of use charges, which can be customized by the user, as well as demand charges, fees, and rates for sales back to the utility. The next input to define are the technologies, which can be added to the map by clicking the corresponding icon. From here, just like the last two inputs, engineers can work from catalogs or use the module to define detailed parameters including solar incentives and the total space available for solar panels. This same process is mirrored for the other available technologies, so we'll skip ahead and look at optimizations. Optimization in Xendee can be performed to meet multiple organizational goals, including cost reduction, CO2 reduction, resilience and redundancy, or a mixture of all of these. The preference can also be further defined by users through variables such as a premium cost factor to express how willing the client is to pay for cleaner technologies, as well as redundancy options to ensure 100% availability, even if it comes at a higher cost. Additionally, optimizations can be run to investigate hour-by-hour time series optimizations, as well as a multi-year optimization that takes into account changes over time, like the price of technologies or an incoming carbon tax. After every optimization, Xendee will generate a report that details the technologies recommended by Xendee and the financial projections for this investment. This data can then be easily shared with investors or used by engineers to compare major design decisions. For instance, in the optimizations we've run here, one to reduce cost and one to reduce CO2 emissions, we can easily compare the cost of the project and the payback period to see what effect it would have on energy prices to cut our emissions by almost 20%. Finally, Xendee includes a one-line diagram and power flow simulation tool, which enables users to quickly model and simulate the detailed technical design of the microgrid. In this example, the same theoretical military base we were optimizing before has been modeled down to each individual cable and load. Then, when running an analysis of the system, engineers can see how the cables are loaded and verify that the system can function under peak usage or during an unexpected power outage on the most important operational day of the year. To learn more about the Xendee platform and how it can offer resiliency to military facilities and mission-critical loads, please schedule a demonstration at xendee.com/demo.